What is Ipe? Spelled I-P-E and pronounced Ipe, is an extremely dense tropical hardwood and most commonly used for exterior decking, docks, boardwalks, siding, fences, outdoor furniture, and other demanding outdoor projects. It is sometimes called Brazilian walnut, although it is not actually a walnut. Ipe is known for its strength, natural resistance to decay and insects, its rich brown color, and exceptionally long service life. In this 2026 product review, we're going to answer the most common asked questions about Ipe. How long does it last? How much maintenance does it need? What does it cost? How does it compare with the composite and pressure treated decking? And most importantly, is Ipe worth the investment? How long does Ipe decking last? A properly designed and installed Ipe deck can commonly last 50 years. In the right conditions, Ipe has demonstrated the potential to last as much as 75 years, including in high traffic commercial applications. Its longevity comes from its natural density of the wood and its resistance to rot, decay, termites, mold, and harsh weather. Does that mean that every Ipe deck automatically lasts 75 years? Absolutely not. Proper ventilation, board spacing, fastening, sealing the ends, and following good installation practices is key. Is Ipe stronger than other decking woods? Yes. Ipe has a junker hardness rating of approximately 3,510 pounds of force, making it more than twice as hard as many commonly used domestic woods. That hardness helps Ipe be more resilient to dense scratches, wear, and heavy foot traffic, and its span is as much as 24 inches on center. It is one of the reasons why Ipe is regularly selected for boardwalks, restaurants, resorts, marinas, and luxury residential decks. Does Ipe decking require maintenance? Ipe requires less structural maintenance than softwood decking, but its appearance depends on how you care for it. To preserve the original brown color, use Deckwise Brightener Cleaner and apply a penetrating hardwood oil as needed, often once a year depending on sun exposure, weather, and the look you prefer. What happens if you do not oil the Ipe? Untreated Ipe gradually weathers to a natural silver gray patina. This color change does not mean that the oil is rotting or failing. Oiling Ipe is primarily about maintaining its brown appearance, not making the wood structurally durable. Some homeowners maintain the brown color, others intentionally allow Ipe to turn gray. Both are acceptable choices. Does Ipe get hot in the sun? So, like any dark colored decking material, Ipe can become hot in direct sunlight. Actual surface temperature depends on the board color, exposure, airflow, and surrounding environment. Compared with many dark composite or PVC products, natural wood generally releases heat more quickly after the sun is reduced, but any exposed deck should be tested before walking on barefoot. How much does Ipe decking cost in 2026? Ipe is a premium decking material and prices vary based on board width, thickness, length, profile, grade, freight, and even market availability. The better question is not simply the price of one deck board, but taking consideration framing, labor, railing, permitting, demolition, and installation usually makes the majority of the total deck investment. The real question is whether paying more for the deck surface makes sense when that surface may last 2, 3, or even 5 times longer than the lower cost alternative. Is Ipe difficult to install? Ipe is more demanding to install than pressure treated pine. Because it is extremely hard and dense, installers should use quality carbide tools, especially from Deckwise, and pre-drill where required, seal freshly cut ends, use stainless steel fasteners only, and allow proper airflow underneath the deck. Hidden fasteners and pre-grooved boards are also available. Ipe is not the material for shortcuts. Correct installation is essential to getting the performance you're paying for. Is Ipe better than composite decking? That depends on the customer's priorities. Ipe is real wood. It offers natural grain, variation, high strength, long-term refinish options, and a proven service history. Composite decking offers more consistent colors and generally does not require oiling, However, composite performance, heat retention, scratch resistance, appearance, and warranty coverage vary significantly by manufacturer and product lines. So neither material is automatically better for every project. The right choice depends on appearance, maintenance, expectations, installation conditions, budget, and desired lifespan. Is Ipe better than pressure-treated wood? For durability, hardness, appearance, and long-term performance, Ipe generally outperforms pressure-treated multiple times over. Pressure-treated lumber has a much lower initial cost and remains a practical option for budget-conscious projects. However, it is softer, more likely to dent, split, and typically requires more maintenance over its service life. So what are the advantages of Ipe decking? The main advantages are exceptional durability, resistance to decay and insects, high scratch and wear resistance, natural beauty, lower structural maintenance, and a potential service life measured in decades. So what are the disadvantages of Ipe decking? The main disadvantages are its higher initial costs, heavy board weight, great installation difficulty, need for specialty tools and fasteners, and periodically oiling if you want to preserve that original brown color. Responsible sourcing is also important. Buyers should work with experienced suppliers that understand species identification, legal documentation, and responsible forestry options. Is Ipe worth the cost in 2026? For a temporary deck or the lowest possible upfront price? Probably not. For a long-term outdoor project where durability, natural appearance, performance, and life cycle value matter, Ipe remains one of the strongest decking options available. To wrap up, Ipe is expensive because it's a premium, high-performance natural material. When it is sourced responsibly, installed correctly, and evaluated over the entire life of the deck, not just the initial board price, it can provide exceptional long-term value.